Good afternoon. It is Friday afternoon, Friday evening. I'm just getting off work. As you can tell, I'm already home. I already have the Evo on a trailer, and I have an explanation. I'm sweating, I'm all greasy. I'm sorry if I look like shit, but so last night I went to go do a little photo shoot. Car felt really slow, was trying to make boost, but it wouldn't make boost in a sense. I would try to get into boost and it was like stalling to get there, and it just felt really like slow. Eventually, after so many times of trying to get that feeling to figure out what it is, I got 0 PSI, and I was like, what the hell? Like maybe just a giant boost leak, you know, because I'm on map still. I'm not on speed density, so if I were to pop a coupler, the car would turn off. It would die because of too much air. So I don't know, or I didn't know. I was like, there's no way that I have a boost leak because my car would die right now if I popped a coupler. So yeah, I took it to the shop. I smoke tested it. I obviously had no boost leaks, and I tested the blow-off valve, opened fine. And then I took the intake side off the turbo, and this is what I found. So basically, I don't know how or why. Maybe the turbo just got old. I'm not sure how many miles are actually on this turbo, but the turbo seized. I had to spend $2,100 and buy a brand new FP Red. So I bought a brand new FP Red. It's on the way now. I have the trailer, and I'm gonna be going to my shop where I work at. I'm gonna use the lift there. I'm gonna install this new turbo and hope that I don't have any more issues. Well, it's an Evo, so I had more issues. I guess stay till the end to find out. This Evo has cost me probably 5 times as much as my Audi has in the 3 months I've owned it, compared to the lifetime of my Audi. So anyways, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go fix it and do what I can. But yeah, I'm broke as f now, so such is life. You guys see that? New, in bag. There was an FP sticker on here somewhere, but yeah, that's a brand new FP Red that spins. And it's got the plaque on it. Sick. Anyways, all right, we'll load this in the truck and head to the shop. Alright, got the car on the rack. Yeah, I'm using an alignment rack because it's our only 4-post, and the car don't like to go up on 2 posts, so I'm not probably gonna record a whole lot of this process, but fingers crossed this goes well. Let's swap the turbo. Alright, we got OTR and Cougar helping me out here.
Don't tell you how it's done, man.
Yeah, this would not have gotten done without them, so shouts out them. Don't buy gaskets, man. That shit overrated. Just make them.
Make them, man. Cougar built.
That's how we do it, man. He said what? That's called what?
Build not ball right here, man. Build gasket. Cougar build gasket, bro.
For real. All right, we got everything in. We're about to prime it and turn it over for the first time. Moment of truth.
No.
Well, it's running. Hey, is the mask plugged in? Is my math plugged in?
The map?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why, check light?
Yeah.
Oh. Because we took the crank sensor off. So we gotta unplug the battery to reset the...
Oh.
We'll do that in a bit.
So basically what we're doing right now is burping the cooling system. I'm doing pretty shitty on the updates, but like I said, I wasn't gonna make a huge video about it. Ooh, I'm sweaty and greasy. Just the process of getting it together. Yes, sir. About to go test drive it. Cougar Bill's gonna drive it for me. I'm too scared. But yeah. All right, y'all. I totally forgot to film ripping it because I was so focused on like watching the AFRs and the boost and whatnot, but it is back to ripping. Hopefully it stays that way. Shit's getting fucking expensive, but it's a brand new FP Red, so I'm hoping that everything stays solid now, and hopefully everything can stay on my side now from this point on. I can get ready for the Audi. These two can bond together and rip. But here's the old turbo. This thing is absolutely seized as a motherfucker, so that ain't doing too well. Besides that, it's ripping. I got the plates. Had to make sure these people know that when they pull up on this car, if they beat me or if I beat them, it's just my slow car. It's just my slow car. But anyways, guys, we'll continue on tomorrow. Shout out to OTR and fucking Cougar. They helped me a shit ton with this. I would not have gotten this done tonight without them. So shout out them. But let's get it. Whoop! Dude, look. Our cars are the same color as the pump. You guys see where we're at, man. We're over here getting some ethanol. Oh, can't show you my card. Oops. So we'll see you guys at the meat spot. Yo, guys, I totally forgot to say anything about us being here. We are out of the first meet with the faster guys. I'm probably not gonna get many runs in here because this is for the B5, not the Evo, but we just decided to check in. So maybe might get some runs with these guys, maybe some of these bolt-on Corvettes, but we'll see. And then we'll probably be going to the other meet, which is more for my power range. So we'll see you guys on the road. All right, guys, we're at the new spot here. We're all like spread out, so it looks like there's not a lot, but apparently this guy, he's new. Well, he's not new, but he just got this car. Apparently he's the exact same setup as me, but he's probably tuned by some Asian guy, some Hmong guy that made it a lot more aggressive than mine. So I'll probably get gapped, but we're gonna try to run this guy and see what else we can get. But that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen, I mean, I've seen one red one, but it looks nice. Alright, guys, we're still here and it's 1:20 in the morning. I'm assuming we're leaving pretty soon, but long story short, I was walking around and there's like 15 Evos over here, so I thought that was pretty cool. I'm just gonna come over here and show you guys. There's a lot of white ones. White 10, blue 8, white 10, white 10, I mean white 8, red 8, white 8. There's a whole lot. And we got my Blue Bayou one down there. So I'm gonna try to get a run in with them, but all of them already knew me somehow, and said that I was too fast, even though I'm not fast. But I'm gonna try to get some runs in. Alright guys, we're headed out. I'm not gonna throw the 360 cam on because it's just too much work right now. But I am gonna get the GoPro on my head, and yeah, we should have some good runs. Jump on me. Hardcore. I told you were gonna get me, fool!
It was a good run still. It was good.
Dude, I'll run it again right now.
Shut your ass up. You need to drive it home. Shit. We is not pushing you, Trey. You was driving this thing home. What you got? What you got? What socket is that? 12? Yeah.
God, quit going up, bro. I'm trying to pull hose out.
Without
spraying
pull-out
light.
game strong. Strong right there.
What are you on? Is that Trae?
No.
Oh.
It's just a single comp.
Check that. Guys, open it.
I bet she's yeah.
Oh, okay. Shabubli.
Okay, head gasket. Trae, it's milky.
That's contamination. Oh. Alright, for sale. 30,000.
Oh.
I had to get it to focus. Alright guys, don't mind me. I'm laying in bed editing this video right now. So basically, after this clip here that you guys just saw, we ended up grandma driving it home. I put it in the garage. I didn't drive it for a week. And then I pulled the head on it. I took it to RS Motors. They machined it for me. Shout out to Paul and Ron. Then I ended up buying a OEM Evo 9 head gasket and ARP 625 head studs from MAP. Thanks to my boy Alex. Shout out to you. Then Gus helped me with the install. We got it in. We got it together. And we had some crazy shit happen where there was a fucking bolt that came out of fucking nowhere. I don't even know where. Fucked up a lot of shit. So we had to take it all back apart, put it back together again. More of the story though, because of the turbo, the brand new turbo on it, I think it was just making boost more efficiently, and it was just making a little bit more power. Yeah, it just started to lift the head on the Evo. So obviously we had to get that fixed. We got that fixed now. I didn't record any of that process just because after spending $2,000 on a brand new turbo and then having to spend another, I don't know, $500 to $1,000 on a head gasket and all the timing shit, I just really was pissed off and I didn't want to fucking record anything or do anything. I wanted to get it fixed so I could drive it again. So now we're at the point where it does drive again and it's fine, and so far so good. The head does not seem to be lifting anymore, and now we can continue to rip it and get more videos. But I just wanted to throw this in there to explain to you guys what actually happened after this, and give you my side of the story and why there's no video for doing the head gasket too. But yeah, that's it. This video's over now, so we can roll the outro. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
H2O, you made.
Wait, hold on.